thought today would be the perfect day to clean all of my brushes. So I'm going to turn this around and you'll be able to see what I'm doing. I haven't washed my brushes in a while. You should wash them pretty often. If you're a makeup artist, obviously you do it after every single client. But for myself, I'm terrible. I wait too long, but I'm going to do it now. Okay, so here we go. Alrighty, so here are kind of all my supplies. Keep it super simple. So tons of brushes, right? I have some soapy kind of water, a little bit warm. I bought this. I bought this at TJ Maxx. But honestly, like it's only was like $3. I don't know. Anyways, I take this with me when I have a lot of clients. So I'm washing the brush right there on site. But also from home, I'll simply just use a gentle shampoo. You do not need to buy anything fancy. Paper towels. I've got, like I said, my soapy water, the different towels that I'm going to do to rinse off and kind of keep on top of my brushes. All right, so let's get started. So one of the things that I often get asked, even when I do my brushes, are what are your brushes? What do you use them for, right? So I'm just gonna do a really quick. These are my brushes. All right, so this is my personal foundation brush. I love this thing. I love that it has like a little firm kind of head to it. I think I may have even gotten this little collection at Target. This is my blush, a little angled brush, another blush, right? So bronzer. Actually, this is kind of my bronzer one. And then, all right, so these are more my professional ones that I use for clients. Let's see, what is this? Oh no, this is one of mine too. This is my other kind of big fat blender. I just love it, pulls it all together. So that's kind of my little goodies. All right, so this is another one. I love this for foundation. It's so soft on the skin. You know what? I do makeup for more than one reason. One of them is to make my clients look beautiful, but it's really about the experience. And I think your brushes can lend to a really great experience. All right, so then let's see. These are my foundation blenders. These are really fun, almost like one of the sponges, the little blending sponges. But I just love this. Feels really great. Warms it into the skin. What's this? Oh, this is another super favorite of mine. This is for my eyeliner. Nice flat edge. Perfect. A little spoolie, we know what that is. And these are my big fat blenders, right, for eyeshadow, for the crease. I have more than one. Let's see, what's this guy? This is for lips. I like to put lipstick on with a brush. This one I love. This is for like a little powder around the eyes. My concealer brush. Oh, boys are coming. Ugh. Blush. All right, they're here. That's what those are. All right, so let's do with one brush. I'm going to do this little guy. Actually, it's not very dirty, so you can't really see too much. Let me get one that's probably has a lot of product in it. Oh, you know which one it's going to be? My blush. All right, here's my blush. So dip it inside the water, and as you can see, the water just kind of gets a little dirty, right? And I'm a little hard on them because I really want to get all of it out, okay? And I go like this and just kind of check and see what's going on. And what I'll do is I'll put it on a paper towel just to see if a lot of print color comes up and nothing's coming up. So what that tells me is pretty clean. So I take it in the water and just do that to it. Give it a second and lay it there and let it dry. Pretty easy. All right. Well, so great. Thank you for hanging out with me while I clean my brushes. Now I'm just going to let them sit here and just dry. Naturally I like to then spritz them. I make a little spritz with alcohol and tea tree, and I spritz them at all the handles at the end. Then I turn them around, spritz them again with a little alcohol. So just to kind of keep my brushes healthy. It's great to check in how the bristles are doing. If they start falling apart, it's time to get a new one. And I mean, that's basically it. So much fun. Anyways, if you have any questions, ask anytime. And that was a really fun thing to do. Peace.